So for me, the biggest challenge for residential insurance is really understanding the problem comprehensively. Insurance just isn't about flood risk or those hazards which are impacted by climate change or climate risk going forward, but it's also understanding our earthquake risks, our tsunami risks. We've got our major city built on an active volcanic field. We've got the whole South Island sits on the margin of a tectonic plate, and we've got a subduction zone that's 20 kilometres below Wellington. So how do we understand that with an increasing exposure going forward? If you go back to the 1920s and look at how many residential properties we had exposed in Auckland, and look at that now, the impacts of the Auckland Anniversary Day flood events would have been significantly less back in the 1920s than it is now. So a little mantra that I've got is that we're building more things in risky places faster than the climate's changing itself. So we're very good at understanding how our climate might change and those hazards which are impacted by that through time and publishing data on that. But are we as good at understanding how our exposure is changing and understanding that each time we're making an investment decision, whether that be for residential property or infrastructure, that we're accepting a certain level of risk associated with that. So my emphasis there is really trying to understand that broader picture and really considering how we are understanding our exposure over time as well.